So today's progress, the gearbox is off, the engine is out, radiator's off. I won my battle with the stubborn driveshaft bolt, and front subframe's ready to be stripped down. But I think I probably need to have a bit of a tidy up because I'm running out of workspace with all these parts. So I think the next stage is going to be to get all the leftovers gone to make a bit of space, and then I can start cleaning things up a little bit. Yeah. Good boy. Proving to be very stubborn, so I'm leaving it in an upright position in the hope that some of the penetrating fluid will drip down into it and free it up inside the tube. To resign myself to the fact that I'm going to need to have a new front subframe because the bolt will absolutely not come out of that sheath. Yeah, it's a shame because everything else on the subframe is really tidy. Hey ho. Not much progress over Christmas so far. I've just had a bit of a sort out and made a bit more space to move. Replaced the gearbox seal that was broken now. Put a new nylon washer in there as well. And I've welded on a new
tab where it had broken off to the subframe. Seems a reasonable job, and it all looks like it lines up when I tested the part back on. There's still a couple of rounded off bolts I've got to sort out, and I've still got to drill out that one there. I've still not done anything to the engine yet, but yeah, I just need to work out what service parts I need. I mean, obviously it will have a basic service, but this is an opportunity for how far I want to go with it. But I'm not sure if there's much meat on the clutch or not, but it looks in reasonably tidy condition, so I don't think it's that old. But I'm going to have a better look, and I might consider taking it off, just to have a proper look at it. Not done anything with the fuel tank yet, still. All the brakes seem clean, so I'm not going to rebuild them. I think I'm just going to tidy them up and paint them. Maybe get a new set of seals and bleed nipples for them. Yeah, all the wishbones are all off now. I need to order a new bolt for the front upper, where it's still stuck in the subframe. But otherwise they're in reasonable condition. Need a bit of a clean up. But I think I might modify them slightly on the rear lower ones so that I've got better access to the captive nuts, because if I want to cut a little hole in them now so I can get a spanner in, that'll make a lot easier, and it will get hidden by the powder coating that it's modified. So yeah, this is where I am. I'm kind of still in the middle of everything that's got to be done. There's a massive list. My Amazon and eBay wish lists are huge. But yeah, hopefully when I'm feeling a little bit better, I can finally start making some parts look clean, shiny and nice again, and that'll be a good day. Anyway, till then. Some progress with the wishbones, because of the failed captive nut on this one here. I've enlarged the holes that were already there very slightly, just to make room for a spanner to go on the captive nut, and just for symmetry I've done the same on the other side, although the captive nut there is still secure for now. Either way, I'm quite happy with that, reasonably symmetrical. And the front upper wishbones have been both cut on either side now, and because I didn't really want the little ugly sharp edges left over, I've welded in some little plates just to close them off, which seems to do the job quite nicely, and seems to have made them a little bit stronger as well, I think. So yeah, that's a good bit of progress for today. Typically the alternator bolt has decided to twist and snap off, and it chose to do so 5mm shorter than necessary to remove the alternator. So now I've got a battle on my hands to get that out with some mole grips, some heat and some penetrating fluid. Look forward to that. Managed to drill the bolt out. However, I have also discovered there's a crack in the housing, which isn't ideal, so I may just get a new one. I think it'll be easier to do anyway, and this one looks a little tired anyway, easier than refurbishing it, so problem solved.